My name is Jimmy Reyes, and I'm a comic book inker. Welcome to my channel. These small little jars are great, and they're perfect little size that you can use later after your indie ink has then finished from the jar. So what I've done is, once the ink has completely run out from the jar, I poured out the little bit of ink that was left in there. Then I run the tap water very softly because I don't want the ink to splash back over the counter onto my clothes. You want to make sure that you're washing in a stainless steel sink. Wash it multiple times to get the ink out of there. And at the end, I then take a disposable napkin. A paper napkin works very well. Once I've cleaned the inside and I've got the glass completely clear, I let the jar air dry on a disposable napkin, and once it's air dried, I will then fill it with warm water, and you can also use a little bit of soap in there if you want, or you can use a pen cleaner. The reason that I have repurposed the jar is that I now have a clean jar with warm water in there to dip and clean my nibs in and to clean my brushes. I used to use baby food jars, and I was excited that once the Eon Vortex India ink came in, it was in a slightly smaller jar. So it gives me the perfect amount of space on the side of my drafting table, because my desk is an L-shaped flat desk, and so I'm able to rest everything off to the right side because I am right-handed. And now I have a bottle of warm water that I can use to clean off my brushes. I will soon have a second empty bottle of ink very soon, most likely in a few weeks. I will do the same procedure here and repurpose it for my white ink. And so then I will have two jars, one to clean off the white ink and one to clean off the black ink off my brushes. And thanks again for joining me. If this is your first time watching the video, be sure to click subscribe, check the bell icon so you're notified of any future updates, and you can follow me on Twitter.